Yeah. Yesterday we discussed, sorry, day before yesterday we discussed doubling a number. So we have done up to this exercise. So let us do one more exercise. So with fractions, multiplication by 4 and 8 along with fractions.
How?
You know this type of fractions, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. First we
sir.
have to
What we call
convert
this
mixed
number?
fraction to improper
We need to
fraction.
convert them to improper. We
No,
need
no
to
need to,
multiply by denominator and then add the
No.
numerator.
no need to convert. No need to convert. How we can read this number? Tell me.
8 and 8 1 by 2.
8 and half,
8
right?
and a half.
8 and half. You can double 8 individually. You can double half individually. Then you can add.
So that means 17 because half and half
That's all.
will be
Yes, yes, that's all. Okay.
1
So
and
you
8
can
1 8
give
will
your
be.
names. You can give.
Sir, explain it once again.
Yeah, I'll explain a separate question. Suppose if it is 3 and a half, how to double 3 and a half is double 3 and double half individually. Okay, 3 double is 6, half double is, what is the double?
One.
Double of half?
1, sir.
1. So 6 plus 1 it is 7.
7.
So after it becomes a perfect number, so then you can double it again and again. Means if you want to multiply by 4, you have to double it twice. If you want to multiply by 8, you have to double it thrice, right? Okay.
Sir, Abhinav is taking the E bit.
Okay, you are telling that those
Okay,
names.
wait.
Okay, we should not waste time. Abhinav is taking.
Sir,
There in the chat, Shahu kept E.
Somebody already took the EBIT.
Sir, so what's left, sir?
Read from the beginning. Names. Anybody?
Sir, wait, sir. I'll say.
H Vishnu from there.
Yes, sir. H Vishnu, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
one second.
D is also
Sir,
taken.
G Ritvik.
G Ritvik.
Ritvik.
Hmm.
E Shahu.
Okay.
F Jeshmita.
F Jashmita. Okay.
B Zoya.
B Joya.
Zoya.
Okay.
D Pallav.
Sorry, D.
Yes, sir. D Pallav.
Okay, okay,
H Akash.
okay. H Akash. Okay, it's
Yes,
already
sir.
over. Next.
A Ashrita.
Okay. One more
And
question
D,
remaining.
and D
Only C.
Abhinav. Sir, and C Akash. Sir, you take my name for C.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. Do all
Sir,
the
what
questions.
about Abhinav?
Sorry.
Sir, I said C, right?
Sir,
Who
Abhinav,
wrote
you have
first?
already written.
Who
Sir,
wrote
I
first?
wrote.
Yeah,
Sir, I
but
don't know.
D is already taken. That's why I said C.
Sir, I already said you Akash C.
So whoever first in the chat,
put in chat.
Sir, actually in the chat no one has sent it, so C was left, so I taken it.
that's all.
Sir, now I typed it in the chat first, sir.
It's cheating, Abhinav.
That's not cheating.
One
Rules are
second.
rules.
1 second. I'll check.
Sir, but first come first, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling.
Sir, he kept only questions, sir. He didn't kept his name.
Yes, sir, that's cheating, sir. And,
Yes, sir.
already
Rules.
Okay, now I kept my name also.
Okay, okay. Abhi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can I give question number I?
Okay, give it to Akash, sir. No problem.
Nothing happens, you took.
No. Listen to me. Can I give question number I? There is no I.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Your question should be something special. Okay. Meanwhile, remaining persons do all the questions. Okay. This is for Abhinav. If you are ready, then we'll solve.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Why it is not working? Okay. Yeah. Ashrita, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So you need to multiply by 4 means
I need to double
you have to
it
double it
twice.
twice. Okay. Carry on.
Double of 8 is 16, sir. Double of 1 by 2 is 1, which is equals to 17.
Okay.
10 plus 10 is 20. 7 plus 7 is 14, which is equals to 34, sir.
Very good. Correct.
So double of 34 is 30 plus 30 is 60.
That's over, right?
Sir, double, sir.
So double.
It's
Yeah.
4,
Sir,
sir.
it is over. Sir, it is over.
This is over. I need only into 4. Into 4 means into 2 is 17. Into 4 is 34. That's all. You have doubled it twice. This is your given number, not 17.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is doubled twice already with 34. Yeah, Joya.
Double of 11 is 22 and double of 1 by 2 is 1.
Okay.
22 plus 1, 23.
Okay.
Double of 23 is 46.
Yeah, but because the digits are less than 5, that's why we can double digit wise also. 2 double 4, 6 double, 3 double 6. That's all.
Double of 46 is 40.
It's over.
Okay. No, not over. This is multiplication by 8, right?
Yes, sir, thrice.
Yeah, tell me.
So 40 plus 40 is 80.
Okay.
And 6 plus 6 is 12.
Okay.
52.
No.
92.
Yeah, 80 plus 12, 92. Yeah, then Akash.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So the double of 19 is 38 and double of half is 1. So that
Okay.
means 39. So as we all know, we have to double the number twice. So that means 38 plus 38, which is 76.
38,
Yes, sir.
39, right?
39, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, so 30 plus 30, which is 60, and 9 plus 9, which is 18. So 30 plus 18 is equal to 48.
That's all. Very good. Then Pallav.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, how is the answer 48? It should be 78, right?
Yes, sir,
19.
Sorry.
78.
Yeah. Sorry. Akash, what happened for both of us? My tension is my concentration is on power. If power comes, the happy and slowly, coolly I can. Okay, no issue.
Even I'm using with my phone. Here is also a network issue.
Okay, right. We can do it in this way also, right? 40 minus 1. 40 double is 80 minus 2, 78. Okay. Yeah, Pallav.
Sir, first 1 by 4 into 4 gives 1.
1/4. Okay. 1/4 means quarter part. Quarter part you are doing 4 times. It will be 1, right? Okay.
2 into 4 gives 8. 8 plus 1 gives 9.
Very good. Correct. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, half into 8 we have to do. Half into 4.
Okay.
Sir,
Half,
yes, sir. So
half
into
double.
So half double it will be 1. Then
Okay.
one's double it will be 2.
Okay.
And two's double it will be 3. And five's double it will be 10. Then 10's double 20. And 20's double 40. 40 plus 3, 43.
40. Okay. So instead of doing individually, if you do one time, 5 double is 10, half double is 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. So from there on, from then onwards, you can double 11. Okay,
The
both will
answer
give the
will be
same.
33, right?
33?
Yes, sir.
No, 43 only.
Sir, the answer is 44.
Yeah, 244, right? Okay, 44.
Yes, sir. Sorry, it's 44.
44, correct. Yeah, Jashmita.
Yes, sir. Double of 9 is 18. Double of 18 is 32.
Okay.
Double of 1 by 2.
Directly you can do with half also. So double of 9 is 18 plus half double is 19. So from then onwards, double 19.
19 double is 38. So 38 will be the answer.
Very good, correct, Jashmita. Then Ritvik.
Sir,
Yeah.
the double of 30 would be 60 and double of half would be 1. So 60 plus 1, 61. The double of
Okay.
61 would be 122. And the double of 122 would be 244.
Why 244? We need into 4 only, not into 8.
Okay, sir.
So 61 double is 122. That's all. Okay. Doubled
sir.
this number twice. Then Vishnu.
Sir, quadruple of 3 is 12 and quadruple of 1 by 4 is 1. So it will be 12 plus 1 equal to 13.
12 plus 1. Yes, correct. Exactly. Then Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So 12 into 4 is 48.
Okay.
And 1
Directly you are using tables.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. Abhinav, some disturbance is coming from you.
Sir, is it okay now?
Yeah, now it is okay. 12 double.
40,
12 double.
24, sir.
1 by 8 double. It
2
will
by
be
16.
1 by 4. Okay.
Sir, can I tell?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Siddharth, okay, I'll give one question to you. Just wait. 24 double.
48, sir.
Quarter part double. Half.
Half, sir.
Okay, so that's your answer. 48 and half. Okay.
Sir, so you doubled
Yeah.
it thrice?
Twice only.
Twice.
One time double, this is the result. Second time double, this is the result.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then this is the question for Siddharth. Later we'll go for another. Yeah, Siddharth, proceed.
Sir, first we have to double 22. We'll get 44.
Okay.
And then we will double 44. We'll get 88.
At a time, do this also parallelly.
Okay, sir. We'll get 44 1 by 2, sir.
Okay. Then, if
And
we double it,
if we double it, we'll get
88.
yes, sir. 88 half only, sir.
Half double.
Half. 1 by 4, sir.
If you double half plus half is how much?
Sir, 1, sir.
1, sir.
Okay. 88 plus 1 is?
89.
89. And one more time you have to double because 8.
And 89 into 2 will get 1 7 and 8, sir. 1 7 8.
Yes, 80 double 160, 9 double 18. 160 plus 18, 178. Okay, right. Actually, we are not starting divisions, but for some special purpose, we are going to do this along with doubling, multiplication by 4, multiplication by 8. It is better to learn halving means dividing by 2, dividing by 4, and dividing by 8. Okay. So to do multiplications only. Wait, don't give the names. I'll tell, wait, just.
Sir, can you tell from the beginning? I joined the late due to network problem.
Nothing, we have just done one exercise. That's based on the previous exercise, sorry, yesterday's class only, last class only.
Sir, these are multiplications only, huh?
No, previous exercise is multiplication.
Sir, this is division.
Yeah, these are divisions. Division means we are not going to deal divisions. We are just doing divided by 2, means halving. Half. Okay, half or division by 2. Okay.
Sir, or else we can say like multiplication with 0.5.
Yeah, multiplication with 0.5, nothing but. Where is the disturbance?
Sir, this is very easy. We can do without, means in conventional method will be very easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Halving. I think you have given names. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I read the names?
Given names already.
Yes, sir. I will.
Yes, sir. We gave the names already.
From where?
F. Jashmita.
F. Jashmita. Okay. Okay. Anyone read the names?
Sir, I want to read.
Okay.
F. Jashmita.
Okay.
E. Ritvik.
Okay.
B. Rishit.
E only. Again.
No, sir. B.
One second.
Sir,
1 second.
B is Rishit.
Sir, B.
1 second, Jashmita.
Sir, someone is unmute.
Yeah, someone should unmute.
Sir, Rishit is also unmute.
Sir, even Pallav.
Sorry, sir.
It's
Sorry,
Pallav.
sir.
Yeah. Rishit, it is from you only.
Sir, D is Abhinav.
Sir, Rishit is B.
Yeah, D. Abhinav. Okay.
Sir, B is Rishit.
C. Sahu.
Okay. Shahu becomes Saho.
A. Bhavya.
Bhavya, new person.
Yes, sir. I think.
Bhavya, is it your first class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So just go through the previous videos, okay? They are available in on our YouTube channel.
Sir,
Okay,
A is
sir.
Bhavya and B is Rishit.
B is Rishit. Okay. All right. Directly you can do these division by 2. See, I'll tell one example, separate example. When you are, yeah, just see, when you are doing division, sorry, division by 2 for number 24, if you are dividing by 2, so how to divide is split this number. As we are doing multiplications and additions, same, in the same way, split this number like a 20 and 4. Half 20 will be 10, half 4 will be 2, again sum, split and then merge again. So it will be 12, right? Try to explain in this.
Sir, if the end number is even odd, how we will do?
Yeah, if the end number is odd, we'll see that also in the later exercise. Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
we have to-
odd. It is 0.
if the end number is odd, I'll tell it later. Okay, after this exercise. Yeah, Bhavya.
Yes, sir. The answer is 5.
5 because it's a base number. Directly we can write. So without any second thought, right? This is also because it's a less than 5, sorry, less than 10, less than first base number. We can directly answer. Rishit, it's
Sir, is it audible?
yeah, audible.
Yeah, sir. Half of 6 is 3.
3, very good. Then Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, half of 40, it is half of 40, 20.
Yes, 20. So as there are 4 tens in that, so 4 halves.
Yes,
means
so fourth half
10
is 2 and tens it is 5. 5 into 2, it is.
Yes. Okay, overall it is 20. Then Abhi.
Sir, 14 is splitted to 10 and 4.
Okay.
And then they both are splitted to 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 are prime, so it's 7.
So 7, right. Ritvik.
So half of 50 is 25.
25. So directly we can say.
Sir,
because
I think it is like when there are numbers like 40, 50, 60.
Yes,
we
numbers
need to
ending with
divide
0.
10 by 5 and then multiply the number respective like 5, 6, 7 by that 5.
Sorry.
Sir, means when it is like 40 is the number, so we will take 4 into 10. We will divide 10 by 2, it is 5, and 5 into 4, 20, like that. We will not divide that other number like 4, 5, 6, that one.
Yes.
Sir, if it is odd number, we need to multiply by 10 and divide by 20, right?
No, no need. Yes, that is also correct. Yes, that is also correct. But dividing by 20 is, we are making it somewhat
Sir, but
bigger.
it is more easy. We can do it 50.
By 10 also.
Yeah, I'll tell that point. Just wait. Ritvik, 25. Okay. Then Jashmita.
Sir, 90 we can write as 80 and 10. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 80 is 40. 40 plus 5 equals to 45.
Yes, excellent. Very good. So it's 45. So half of 80 is 40 and half of 10 is 5. Right. So if the odd numbers are given, then see here also there are no odd numbers. So first you give names because in the middle you may disturb. That's why. Yeah, where I can start?
So can I start first? Can I read?
F.
Can I
Jashmita,
tell the
right?
names?
From there?
Sir, from
Harshita.
Sir, from F. Jashmita.
Sir, from F. Jashmita. Sir,
F.
I'm
Jashmita.
saying
Yeah.
F. Jashmita, sir.
Okay.
J. Ritvik.
J.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
H. Shahu.
Okay.
E. Harshita.
Harshita.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
E. B. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Akash, tell me.
Sir, B. Zoya. B.
Okay.
Zoya.
Okay. Next.
Sir, after B. Zoya, I. Siddharth.
Okay.
D. Abhinav.
D. Abhinav. Okay.
Sir, G. Ashrita.
Okay.
Sir, C. Divyesh.
Okay. Divyesh,
Sir, and-
after long time. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yeah.
So no one has sent it for A.
Anyone
Sir,
can take.
A. Sir,
Sir,
A.
A. Rashid. Sir,
Okay,
now he
Rashid.
sent it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
sent it for D also, sir. Before me, Abhinav spammed it.
Okay. See. Just wait and see here. If it is 40, how you have divided this number by 2? just we can tell directly 40, half is 20, right?
Sir, 30, we can do like that. 30 and 10.
No.
That
Instead of taking 30, 40 is better. See, how she, who? Just wait, Jeshmita. How Jeshmita done this problem? See, 90. She split into an even number, multiple of 10, then 10. Okay, half of 80 is a 40, then this one is 5. So instead of directly dividing by 2 for 90, it is better, right? In the same way, if I have given 9, how to divide it? Split this number
Sir,
like
8 and 1.
And 1, right? 8 half is 4. 1 half is half.
0.5.
Half. 4 and a half directly you can say, or 4.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way if odd numbers are given, convert them into even numbers and plus 1. So any even number plus 1 will give odd number, right? Any
Yes,
even
sir.
number plus 1 will
Yes,
give odd
sir.
number. So you just divide half for that even number, then add 0.5. Add 1/2. Okay. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, right. Then Rishit, start.
Sir, 30, half of his.
Sir, but
is,
none of these numbers is an odd number.
Yes. Okay, it's okay.
Sir, first we'll take 30, sir. We'll divide it into 20 and 10, sir.
Okay.
We'll make it 20 half is 10, sir, and 10 half is 5, sir.
Yes, correct.
Then we'll add it. It's 15, sir.
Okay.
Now we'll take 6 and we'll divide it with 2. It's 3.
Okay.
So it's 18.
18, correct. So actually,
Where can I get the separate sum?
20 and 10. So this is the way you have done, right?
We can directly write it as.
Yeah, 30 we can directly write from later onwards. Okay, this is the first exercise he has done in this way. It is also okay. Okay,
Sir, is there
Joya?
also any exercise after this exercise?
Yeah, one more exercise is there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 36. Rishit, see, 36 instead of doing in this way, there is another alternative method. See, 40 minus 5. This is better, I think. Yes, sir. 40 half is 20.
20 minus 2.
Again, do minus 18. Okay. Next, Joya.
Sir, half of 20 is 10 and half of 8 is 4, so 14.
Yes, correct. 20 and 8, half of this number is 14. Correct. Divyesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to give the name regularly. Okay, Divyesh.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, right. Proceed. Proceed.
Sir, there is a song coming.
Sir, will be 26, but I don't know how I'll just explain it.
Okay, because you know this, you can directly tell. But how you got that? I need that process.
Okay, sir.
See.
5 divided by 2, which is 4. 1 is in carry, 12.
Okay,
And then will be
Divyesh, I'll tell that method also. That's a short division method. We'll see that method also in the divisions. Okay,
Sir,
as of now, try to do in this way.
Do 40 plus 12.
So can I say?
60 minus 8 is better, I think.
So instead we can do 50 plus 2 and like 15 we can divide like
So
20
40
plus
plus 10
30.
plus 2 also he can take.
Yeah. Half of 60? Divyesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 30. Half of 8 is?
4.
4. Then again subtraction.
26. Oh, okay.
Okay. So these ideas are required for us, not only for this question we are telling. These type of ideas are mandatory to do a question in Vedic technique, Vedic approach. So Abhinav, now your turn.
Yes, sir. So 18 is 10 plus 8.
No, instead of 10 plus 8, I think it is better. Okay, that is also okay. 10 plus 8 is also okay because we know these two. Whatever you want,
Sir,
your wish.
then it's divided into 10
Okay.
minus 1.
10 minus 1 is?
9.
9. Very good. Then Harshita.
Sir, the answer is 17, sir.
Yeah, how you got that?
So I just did normal division, sir.
No, don't do normal division. We'll do it later. As of now, try to split and merge.
Yes, sir, I didn't actually hear the explanation, sir. I joined.
Okay,
late.
now hear this explanation. 34 we can split into 30 plus 4, or we can split into 40
20
minus
plus
6.
14.
Okay, so whichever you feel comfortable, you can proceed with that. So 40 half is 20.
20.
6 half is
3.
3. 20 minus 3 is
17.
17.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Jashmita?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
90 divided 90 divided by 2.
90, I think it is better. 80 plus 6.
Yes.
See, even multiple of 10 is better compared to odd multiple of 10.
Okay, sir. 80
Hmm.
divided by 2 is 40.
Okay.
6 divided by 2 is 3. 40 plus 3 equals to 43.
43, correct. Then Ashrita. Ashrita. Yeah, meanwhile, Shahu will explain this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So 30 we can write 20 plus 10 plus 2. 20 is half, it is 10. 10's half 5 and 2's half 1.
Okay.
It will be, yes, it will be 16.
16. So this is better, right? 20
Yes,
minus
sir.
4. Yeah. Then Siddharth. All of you, where are you? Siddharth.
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Yo.
Sir, Siddharth is in unmute, but he's not
my
listening.
laptop is going to turn off.
Why, sir?
Why? Because there is no power here. Okay, we'll do this exercise and I think we'll stop here. Okay, Siddharth, half this number. Fast.
Sir, I think he has a microphone problem.
Okay, is he speaking?
He's speaking, but we cannot hear him. He's chatting.
Okay.
Sir, in chat he wrote 26.
Okay. 26.
Yes, sir.
How it will be 26, Siddharth?
It will be 30, not.
Yeah, 62. We have to split into 60 and 2. 60
Sir, he
half
said
is-
it's 31.
Sir, it is 31.
Okay, 30.
Sir,
now
he
he said.
said it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now he corrected.
Okay. Then Ritvik.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I did 90 as 80 plus 10 and 8.
Why
and
80
8.
plus 10? Why you are moving to that long number? Nearby 100 is there. Far better.
Sir, but I did it like that only, sir.
This 98 is just beside 100, but you are moving to 80.
Sir,
Okay.
because it was an even number, I was thinking like that.
Then it is also an even number.
Yes, sir, but I didn't think.
Okay. Then 80. Then plus 10 and then 8, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Then we need to do it as 80 as 40 and 10 as 5 and 8 as 4. So
Okay.
40 plus 5 would be 45 and 45 plus 4 would be 49.
49. That's all. Then Ashrita, is she there? Ashrita? Ashrita is not there.
Sir, I think she left.
Yes, yes. Yeah, anyone want to explain this? G.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I
Yeah.
Vishnu?
Tell.
Sir, can I tell? Sir,
Wait.
Harshita, can I tell?
Sir, Jashmita, can I tell?
Jashmita, other than Jashmita, Harshita, Jaya.
Yes, sir,
So
can
may
I
I,
tell?
Shahu?
Who?
Sir, can I tell
Sir,
Harshita?
may I Rishit?
Sir, may I
May I,
request?
Shahu?
No. Other than these
Sir,
people,
it's
I know.
60 minus 4, sir.
Pallav, will you explain?
Sir, 60 minus 4, sir.
Sir, which one, sir? Shall I? Which one shall I?
Wait,
Sir, it's 60
Rishit.
minus
Rishit,
4 and
wait.
then 30 minus 2. And we get
Okay, then it's over,
Sir,
right?
it's 28, sir. 28, sir.
Yeah, okay. 60 and 4. 60 minus 4. 60 half is 30 and 4 minus
30 and
4
2.
half is. Oh, my system is going to shut down. Okay, I'm making it shut down. Okay, bye, all of you.
Sir, you'll not join again.
No, if power comes, I'll inform in the message. Power comes in 5-10 minutes, so I'll inform. Otherwise,
Sir,
we'll
in
make
the group you will message, sir.
yeah, I'll message in group 80 and B. So
Okay.
sorry for the inconvenience. There is no power. That's why. Okay. In the next class, we'll see multiplication by 11, multiplication by series of 1, series of 2, series of 9s up to, and later 25 multiplication, 125 multiplication, 625
Okay,
multiplication,
sir.
all those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.